Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be replacing the watch band on this Fitbit Charge 2. Now the great thing about the Fitbit Charge 2 is they actually make swapping the watch band a very easy process. As you can see, this one is a little bit, it's kind of a leather band that the previous owner had on here. So I wanted to get something that was a little more masculine. And I ordered these watch bands. You can see here's the brand off of Amazon. And 3 watch bands gives me a dark blue, a gray, or a black. This actually only was about $7.99 plus tax. So I'll put a link in the description box below where you can pick this up on Amazon if you'd like these specific bands or something like it. Now, again, it's actually a very, very simple process. And it basically just requires unclipping these little latches down here at the bottom. So let me zoom in here and we can actually walk through the process. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually come over here where these silver tabs are that connect to from the watch band to the actual watch face. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this little silver tab here, we're going to push it down, and then we're going to slide the watch band out. And it just unclips just like that from both sides. So I'll do it again here on this side. We're just going to push down that silver tab and we're going to pop it out. So there we go. That's actually our Charge watch, kind of the main unit there. And let's go ahead and get one of our other watch bands here and clip that new one on. Now, one of the things I like to do before I put on a new band is actually clean off the terminals and inside of the band strap area where it connects to the main watch. As you can see, it gets a little bit dirty inside here, kind of grimy from sweat and things like that. So what you can do is actually use one of these electronic wipes. Again, if you're interested in these things, I'll put a link in the description box below. It's basically just a cleaning wipe with some non-abrasive kind of cleaner that's attached to it. And I'll take out one of these wipes and just kind of clean this off really good. Again, just an extra step you can potentially take to make sure everything is nice and clean. All right, this next step is going to differ slightly depending on which wrist you wear your watch on. I like to wear my watch on my left hand, so I'm going to have this button facing out. Again, this is kind of how the software is set up. You can see with the button on the left-hand side. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the part with the latch, and we're going to put that on the top portion. And again, this part with our little slots is going to go onto the bottom. Again, this configuration is something you can play around based off of which wrist you like to wear your watch on. You can also flip this over in the software, meaning you can have the button on the out-hand side if you like wearing your watch on your right-hand side. You just have to, in the software, configure this so that the display is actually flipped. Okay, so obviously our last bit is now to attach these pieces. Basically what you're going to do is kind of have these come in at an angle, again, just like you took the other one off. We're going to slide right in and you'll feel it and hear it clip. Just like that, we'll take the top one here and we're gonna again come out at an angle and clip it right in. And there you go. We have basically replaced our band. It's a very, very nice, easy process. Fitbit has done a great job allowing you to customize these bands and you are ready to go. Friends, if this has helped, did you guys hit that thumbs up button for us? It lets us know we're making great videos. And hit that subscribe button because we got a lot more tech tutorial videos coming up real soon. Thanks so much for watching.